Today we're diving into section 110.12 of the National Electrical Code, which is all about making sure electrical installations are done with care, quality, and attention to detail. Let's break down what this section is really about and why it's important. The primary goal of 110.12 mechanical execution of work is simple. Ensure electrical equipment is installed neatly and professionally. This means doing the job properly, following industry standards to make sure everything is safe and reliable. In simple terms, electrical installations need to be neat. That meaning they need to look good. Electrical installations need to be workmanlike, meaning done correctly and safely. It's all about quality work and making sure the job is done right for safety of everyone involved. Now, you might be wondering why this section was created in the first place. Well, over time, people realized that electrical installations weren't always done properly. Poor workmanship led to major safety issues, things like electrical shorts, fires, and faulty equipment. To address this, the National Electrical Code, NEC, established rules like 110.12 to make sure electricians are doing the work at a high level. By following these rules, we can prevent hazards, protect workers, homeowners, and businesses, and ensure safe electrical systems. Let's make this real with an example. Imagine you hire an electrician to install a new circuit breaker panel in your home. If the electrician ignores 110.12, here's what could happen. Unused holes might be left in the panel. Wires might get tangled or disorganized. Moisture, dust, or pests could get into the electrical panel, causing corrosion or electrical failures. But if the electrician follows 110.12, here's the difference. The work will be clean, organized, and professional. Any unused holes will be sealed properly to prevent damage from dust, moisture, and debris. The installation will meet industry standards, ensuring both safety and longevity. Now let's zoom in on 110.12a. which deals specifically with unused openings. That's any holes in the electrical equipment that aren't being used. These holes must be sealed properly to keep things from getting inside like dust, moisture, or pests. If the equipment is made of metal, the metallic plug or plate is used to close the hole. It's important that the plug or plate is slightly recessed, set in about 1/4 inch so it doesn't stick out. In simpler terms, seal any unused holes. If using a metallic cover, make sure it's recessed to sit flat. There's also an international note that points to other resources like the NSCI/NECA 1 through 215 standard, which gives more details on what good workmanship looks like in electrical construction. It's not a rule you have to follow, but you can be a helpful guide to ensure that the work is done correctly. So to sum it all up, 110.12 is all about making sure electrical installations are neat, safe, and professional. By following this rule, electricians can prevent safety risks, improve the system's longevity, and make sure everything works the way it should.